If you're building AI agents inside of GoHighLevel, stop what you are doing. They just released a new feature that makes your AI agents significantly smarter, easier to manage, more consistent, and even having the ability to save you money on AI usage. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what this is, how to use it, and why you'll probably never build an AI agent on HighLevel without it. So this new AI agent feature update is the prompt organizer. And yes, it is absolutely insane. So first things first, before we can get into this, you need to enable it in your sub account. So you're going to come into your GoHighLevel sub account. You're going to go right down to settings. You're going to scroll all the way down till you see labs. And you're going to go right on down until you see this right here, the prompt optimizer. And the crazy part is it says conversation AI, but it's actually part of voice AI as well. I'll show you in a sec. So if we click this and we turn this on, you will now have the ability, if you come back here, go to AI agents, click any of your agents. Say I'll go into voice agents to show you first. Click this. Look at this right here. Prompt optimizer. We see it right here. Now, for the sake of this video, we are going to be using this on our AI chatbot, Mary, which is this right here. So again, it works for both AI agents, voice AI, and conversation AI, the chatbots. Okay, so the first thing I want to do before I show you exactly how to use this prompt optimizer, I quickly want to show you why this is so important and why you, the person watching this, needs to learn what this does. So in about 10 seconds, why is this so important? Better prompts equal better results. You have a better prompt, the AI agent works better, you get better results, you save more money, and because of that, you make more money, all because of the better prompt. And it is a cycle, a flywheel. This is really important, guys. When your AI works better, okay, you make more money because it does more of the thing you want to do, and you save more money because it has less conversations because it is trained better. And the way you do that is by having, you guessed it, a better prompt. And this tool I'm about to show you is a prompt optimizer. It makes the prompt better without you having to play with it. It uses AI to make itself better. So again, a better prompt is a better AI agent. And the tool I'm about to show you inside of HighLevel makes your prompts better, like advanced level stuff. So to upgrade our prompts, we're going to come right into bot goals and we're going to click the prompt optimizer. Now, if you look over here, you'll see we have this as our prompt, all of this stuff. Our goal though is to upgrade this. If we click prompt organizer, you're going to see a couple different things you can do. So we can generate a scenario or we can add a custom scenario. Now, what the scenario is it's going to walk your AI chatbot through a scenario to see if your prompt is broken. So it'd be like, hey, when the customer tries to cancel, which you can put that in right there, tries to cancel, it'll run the bot through a bunch of fake conversations, which I'm going to show you in a sec, to see if it can break it. Then it knows if your prompt is good or not. And as you see, there's 3 stages: configure, results, improvise, where it's going to run through that. So this is really important because when it goes through and optimizes it, it's going to know what works. So what we're going to do is we're just going to generate scenarios. Okay, you'll see it right here. It's going to load because we're not going to go through the custom one. We're going to run generate it. So it'll go through and see how it can make this better and improve it. So boom, right here, it has a couple different scenarios. Okay, hey, can I book an appointment? It'll say, hey, price shopper needs trust, ready to book tomorrow, off topic. And if you can just unclick these if you don't want them, or click them if you want them. We're going to leave all of these. And essentially what this is going to do is it's going to run all of these scenarios on your prompt, this right here, to foolproof it, to see if it can break it. And you'll get a grading score, and that's where the results come in. So we're going to roll with all of these, and we're going to click run 5 chats. This is really cool. You'll see right here. It's going to send fake messages, test contacts. It's going to do all this for you, so you don't have to do this. This right here is huge because usually when you're having to test features, you have to create fake contacts, users. It's a whole sort of thing you have to go through. With this, none of that. Guys, this is why this HighLevel feature is so powerful. If you have any questions at all about anything, drop them and I'll answer personally. So what we're going to do is we're going to click continue to run 5 chats, and we're going to send this thing out. So as you see here, it's going live, waiting, and it's going through, and it's actually having these mini conversations right now, back to back to back to back to back to back. And you're going to see we're going to get a score here very, very, very soon. So boom, it went through, and as you see here, 14 passed, 13 failed. So it's going through all of these different questions, and it's seeing if it can break it. See how cool it is? So if you come here, you can click view chat on any of these, and it's literally having makeshift chats with random test contacts. Do you see how cool this is? It is going through and it's testing all of this. Guys, I absolutely love this. This is so advanced. And as you see here, you can look at all of them. You can click any of these and view the chats, and it's literally going through. You can see it here too, where it is actually running the test so you don't have to. This is what I absolutely love about this. You can improve your AI prompts. So again, I want to make this really clear. You can do this for both the AI voice agents, the hello, how you doing ones, and then the AI chatbots, which are the text-based ones. And again, the better your prompt is, the better your AI agent is. This is huge. And this can potentially save you a lot of money, but more importantly, it can make you more money because your agents are going to work better. So from here, everything's working. We're then going to click improvise. And when we click this, you're going to see right here, you have two different things. You can improvise right here, running single AI guide optimization variation. The AI analyzes tests, blah, 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 goes through and does all that. Or you have auto, which is going to run multiple optimizations and essentially go through and make it as good as possible. Now with auto, you can rack up a bill because this does cost money. I believe it's free right now, but you want to be careful. It's cheap. It's like 0 point something cents, but still leaving it auto might rack up too much of a bill. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click improvise once to see if we can upgrade what we have. Again, the whole point is we want to upgrade said prompt. So you're then going to click improvise, and now it's going to go through and it's going to switch up and add to our prompt. So check this out. This is amazing. It's going to take the exact conversations that it ran and it's going to say, hey, this is where we can add onto your prompt to make it even better. So boom, it's done. It's now 78% better. This is actually good, but we're going to click prompt difference. And when you click it, look what it does. This is so cool. It crossed things out, okay, and changed things. It added, removed, it basically made the prompt better in real time. Do you see how much better this is? And guys, this is so important if you're running a lot of clients and need stuff optimized like that. This is huge. Maybe if you're in the beginning and you don't really have any clients, it might not be big, but I'm absolutely using this for all of my AI agents, especially ones I use for my businesses, because there are things that you can't exactly know until it fixes. And this is going to go through and fix it for you. So this is actually, believe it or not, really good. And you do side by side if you want, or inline. You can view the flow right here, and you have right here and right here to use this. So if we want to use this, we just click use this prompt, and it's now going to go through and it's actually going to use this entire prompt. So we refresh the page, it's going to go through and add it. And if we click prompt optimizer to make sure we did it, we're going to click history. So then right here, you have all completed runs, ongoing runs, drafts. So if you click this, you can see it actually ran it, which is really cool. And again, if you want to, you can improvise and go through and do more stuff like that. But that is how it works, guys. And you then can basically optimize all of your AI chatbots or all of your AI voice agent. Yes, this is awesome. I think this is going to be huge. Again, if you have more clients or bigger AI chatbots, this will shine. If you're kind of like, a hobbyist and you don't have that many, or you're just playing with it, this probably won't be that important. But I'm telling you, for those of you who have AI chatbots where you're trying to fix them, this is gold. Like, this is amazing. Like, if you understand me and you're nodding your head right now, you agree, because it is amazing. So that's it, guys. That's how you use the prompt optimizer. It is absolutely insane. If you guys are interested in learning more about this, and getting a little more help, I actually have something really special for you. And that is that I have, not a 14-day free trial down below, but an exclusive 30-day free trial where you're going to get access to my entire free community, all this amazing stuff for free when you sign up on Base. So again, not a 14-day free trial like you see on the website, but an exclusive 30-day free trial plus all of these bonuses. And yes, I give these to you for free. You can also upgrade on the link down below. And if you don't believe me, you're like, there's no way this is that amazing. We have so many wins. This is not a guarantee that's going to happen to you, but no one has more wins than us. I mean, you come in, there's just never ending wins. If you come into our community, we literally have a channel dedicated to share your wins, and it goes on forever pretty much. I mean, it's insane the amount of wins we have. So I'm not going to just go through this all today, but this is what you get. You get this amazing community. You're also going to get all of my trainings, all of my snapshots, all of my systems, sales scripts, AI prompts, everything is done for you. You just click copy and it's in your account, plus all of Dom's bonuses and so much more. Again, all free with that 30-day free trial. But most importantly, we give the ultimate hand-holding support experience, okay? 7 live coaching calls for free, even ones with me, the GHO Wizard, okay? And a bunch of other coaches to help you on every single thing you possibly could need inside of the high-level space, especially getting clients. Because if you can't get clients, you're not going to make any money. I'm sorry if no one's telling you that. They're scamming you. That is the most important part of this process. If you can't get clients, well, you're shit out of luck. Also, up here, you can message me whenever you want. So if you get in the group and you're okay, I want to get in, I want to sign up with not the 14-day, but the 30-day and get access to all this. You can come in and message me and we can have a chat. That way, you know exactly where we're at. We know exactly what's going on, and we can guide you the best way possible. We also, and I'm going to leave you with this last thing, we run 30-day free challenges here a lot. And what's so cool about these is not only do we do a basic extra call you get and special one-on-one help to help guide you to get your first client. Again, it's not a promise, but we try to help you with it. If you win or get into the top 3, we give away Amazon gift cards for free. We give away free leads. So that's clients that are ready to sign up, and a whole bunch of other amazing stuff. And guys, that is all free. I'm telling you right now, no one in the high-level ecosystem or in the entire YouTube ecosystem gives away what I give away. And you can try it risk-free. Try it for 30 days, and if you hate it, you can leave. That is how incredibly sure I am that this is the best community you will find anywhere. So again, you can either sign up with a 30-day, upgrade under me, or there is another link right down below if you already have high level and you're fully upgraded and you need access to my stuff. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Check this out if you're interested. If you have any comments, drop them down below. What I want to do now is I actually want to link a video at the end of this video. It's going to be the newest Ask AI tutorial because that is hand in hand with AI. It's so important. It can even build AI voice agents and conversation AI bots for you. So that is huge. You got to have it. And again, I'm telling you, this will blow your mind. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you as always. Check out the stuff down below and make sure you watch the video that pops up right now.